I just found a brand new AI tool that allows anybody to create realistic AI-generated videos in seconds. You simply just describe the video that you want, and boom, it goes off and gets created. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what tool you could use to do this, how to use it, and I'm going to share with you 3 crazy use cases that you could use this tool for, and how you can benefit from making AI-generated content. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is HeyGen, but in specific, their video agent that literally just got released. Because with this, you could simply describe exactly what you're imagining, and it is going to transform it into a multi-scene talking video in just a few minutes. And the capabilities for this are absolutely nuts. So let's go through this quick. First and foremost, you could choose between vertical or between landscape. You could come over here and adjust the length of this, which is pretty crazy. You could do a 15 or 30-second video, or you could do up to 3 minutes, and you can actually do multiple 3-minute videos and stitch them together outside of this in an editing platform if you wanted to make the content longer than that. In addition to that, you can come over here and you can choose different assets. You could upload them from the device. You could reference them inside of here, for example, and you'll be able to see all the different things that I've uploaded. For example, I uploaded this character, or if we click on avatar, we could go through all the different avatars. We could go through my avatars that I have because I've personally created AI avatars of myself. I could come to my favorites or public avatars right here. In addition to that, if we click right here, we could go through all of the different speaking voices over here. So we're going to click on me right here, and we're going to say, make a video about the TikTok algorithm. We're going to come over here. I'm going to make this 30 seconds long. Again, we want to make sure that I am chosen as the asset right here, and we could come over here. We could choose between these 2 looks. I'm going to choose this look right here, and we're going to go through and create this. And then just like that, this is going to go through, and this is going to make this. Now, you don't need to do this with yourself or with your own avatar. You can do it with other avatars or with no avatar. Now, from here, we could see that this went through, and this actually created a plan here. We have the topic, the TikTok algorithm, the audience, TikTok creators and marketers. Music theme is going to be upbeat and modern. Video length, approximately 30 seconds. Video orientation, we're going to go with landscape. Script plan, this is going to go through, and this is going to automatically generate the script based on the information that is provided. Target language, English. Avatar, we could see that we have myself right here. Voice, we could do the voice of me, which is going to be provided right here. Supplemental footage is all going to be AI generated, and the captions are going to be enabled. Now, if we did want to make changes to this, we could click in here, we can make the changes, or just click on continue, and this is going to go through and actually generate this for us. Now, while this video is over here getting created, I wanted to open up a new window here again to show you what else we could do, like choosing from assets. So we could come over here, we could click on this, and we could see that I've actually uploaded this individual right here that we could use as an asset. What we could do is go through and say, have him give a monologue about how his family is so successful. So we're going to go through, we're going to do this. We're going to change the mode right here. We're going to change this to be 15 seconds. We can come over here and we can click. This again is going to build out this plan, and this is going to go off, and this is actually going to build this video once we approve the plan. But again, this is with a photo that we uploaded right here. This person isn't actually real. This is an AI generated image that I made on a different AI platform, and then we just imported it in here, and we could see, great, this looks perfect. I'm going to click on continue, and this is going to go through and create this. In addition to that, I did want to emphasize that you can do tons of different things in here. You can do photo to video, avatar videos. You can generate your own avatar. You could replicate your own voice. There's so many different things that you could do inside of HeyGen to create AI generated content. And this is by far the #1 tool for this. Okay, so now that this video is actually generated, we could come through and see what this actually looks like. I'm gonna make this full screen, and then let's see, and I wanna show off to you just how powerful this tool is.
Powerful recommendation system shaping user content on their For You page. It analyzes user interactions.
Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to highlight here. We could see that this actually created the script itself, created these captions itself, and the other thing that is really cool here is it's actually generated B-roll itself here.
Like watches, likes, and shares, along with video details to predict enjoyable content. Creators should focus on authentic, high-quality content with...
In addition to that, the other thing that you are going to notice here is that if we wanted to, we could get this to make any changes. We could share this, we could download this, and if we wanted to edit it, we would literally just click on edit right here, and we could come over here and we can change all of this. For example, if I want to get rid of the music, I could do that in here. If I wanted to come over here and actually change which voice is being used, I could do that right here. If I wanted to come over here and I wanted to adjust what this script is going to be like, I could come over here and I can do that, and then we can regenerate this video and see what it looks like. So not only does this make this incredibly easy for you to be able to generate content, but also for you to be able to edit it. Now, if we come over here, we can see this other one that was created with the photo. And again, let's check this out right here.
My family didn't just succeed, we redefined it. From bootstrapping our first venture to leading industries worldwide.
Okay, so this is awesome. Even the voice here, I didn't actually tell it about this voice. It just went through and matches correctly. So I'm actually going to get rid of the music here because I don't want this music to be on here. And then from here, what we could do is play this.
We didn't just succeed, we redefined it. From bootstrapping our first venture to leading industries worldwide, our relentless drive and unbreakable bonds have built an empire that stands tall.
Now that's awesome. You can see the people moving in the background. We've got the water moving in the background. He looks absolutely amazing. The voice match is perfect. And this is what makes this AI tool so powerful. Literally, just with very simple prompts, I just made AI generated content, and I can make it for multiple platforms, for multiple lengths, and for multiple use cases. By the way, I didn't show this before, but if you actually click into the studio, you will see that you will be able to edit way more. We come over here, we could translate this into other languages. We could come over here and change what kind of media is being generated, what kind of B-roll is being added in, what the text actually looks like right here. We could add in different elements here. We could change the background. We could add in different layering and all stuff like that. And we could even come in here, make changes, and we could change things out however we want, scene by scene, which is incredibly powerful. Now, before I show you 3 other crazy use cases you could use this tool for, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with HeyGen today. This is the AI tool that I personally use to create all my AI generated videos, and I'd strongly suggest that you do too. Now, the first example I want to show you here of how people are actually using this is what Sabrina is doing. So if we scroll down, any of her content that we see with her with this purple hat on right here, this is all AI generated content, and it's being done using HeyGen. Basically what she did was she just took a photo of herself or created an avatar, and then she's using a HeyGen tool in order to actually create that avatar right here. And you don't only have to do this with your own avatar or with your own face. Because if we come over and look for something like prehistoric humans on YouTube, what you'll see are a bunch of channels like this channel right here. Let me skip this ad quick. And we can see that this entire channel here is all AI generated content about prehistoric humans. And again, you could use HeyGen's Video Agent right here in order to actually generate this. It'll generate all the scenes, all the scripts, and everything that you need to create AI generated content. And this is going to allow you to actually scale your content because you're not going to be the bottleneck anymore when your team can come in here, use your AI avatar, or use the characters that you've created and just generate unlimited AI content, because this can work for you 24/7, 365. It doesn't need breaks. It doesn't need rest. It doesn't get sick. In fact, your avatar is always going to be there. Use case number 2 for this is actually going to be found over here. So we could see right here that you can upload a PowerPoint or a PDF, and this will go through and turn it into a video. And now in terms of the background options, you could use image to background. You could use an editable template, which is going to be PowerPoint only, and you could add in script options here. For example, if you have your speaker notes, you can upload them in here, or you could have this auto-generated script. Check this out. So I recently went live with this PowerPoint that walks through the Instagram algorithm update. Now, what I could do over here is I could come over here, I could download this as a PowerPoint. I can come back over here into HeyGen and I can actually upload this in here. And then what this is going to do is create a video out of this. So you could use this for work. You could use this for school. You could use this for projects. You could even use this to create different types of content that you could post on YouTube, etc., etc. We could see that now this is in here, and this will go through, and we could have this actually generate this. In fact, look at this. We could see exactly what this voiceover is going to sound like.
Content based on user engagement, timeliness, and relevance. Latest features like Reels and stories.
Now let's say that we don't actually like that voiceover. Again, we could change this if we wanted to. We could change the speed, we could change the volume, we could come in here to our advanced settings, or we could even have this change back and forth between different voices. But otherwise, we could get this to actually generate this video right here, and this is going to generate a AI generated video of this walking through this PowerPoint with this script here that we could come in here and change if we wanted to, which is absolutely insane because you could get this to generate PowerPoints, you could get this to generate trainings, you could upload a bunch of screenshots here about how you do certain things in a process, and you could literally get this to make an AI generated walkthrough of it. Then that last use case that I wanted to highlight here is if we come back out over here and we come over here into home, you could see tons of different things that you can do here. For example, you could come over here to make UGC ad videos. You could create a real-time conversational AI that's an interactive avatar. You can create a video ad for your product. We could come over here and click on this and see this. This is actually an AI generated video.
One photo into a full UGC style product ad just like this. Here's how easy it is to do. All you need is...
And this literally isn't a human. This is AI that's showing you this. We could come over here and try this feature if we wanted to. It's literally as simple as you clicking on try this feature right here, you coming over here and uploading a photo of your product, or we could just go with one. For example, I'm going to go with this right here, and then we could choose who we actually want to talk about it. I'm going to choose her in her car. We could click generate combinations. Now this is going to go through and generate combinations of that avatar with our product. And then from there, we'll be able to combine a high quality script, and this will go through and make a high quality video of an AI avatar highlighting our product. You can see now that this perfectly combined her with our shoe right here. We could click on add script, and we could come over here and we can get this to actually create this by adding in different scenes, or we could go through and we can actually generate this. So I'm going to click on generate voice to match video, and I'm going to say, these are the best shoes I've ever gotten. What's even better about them is that they're 50% off right now for Black Friday. And then we're going to get this to go through and actually generate this video. Now, of course, you might want to make this script longer, but I made it short just for the sake of this. So this will generate this really quickly and show off for you exactly what this looks like. So now this is actually done. Let's go through and let's see what this actually looks like. And quite frankly, this blew me away.
These are the best shoes I've ever gotten.
What's even better about them is that they're 50% off right now for Black Friday.
And that is crazy because even her tapping the shoe sounds hyper realistic. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a beginner-friendly AI automation tool that will allow you to automate pretty much anything that you want. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.